the 15 on these, especially when they're small. You feeling any pain, buddy?
No, sir.
Oh, Jenny, you didn't get the one that caused pain. What's the matter with you?
Oh, because I like him.
Because he's a
is
nice
his first
guy?
time? Yes, sir.
All right, let me have that curved hemostat. Yeah, that's fine. The curved hemostat right there.
Curved hemostat is right
That's
here.
it. All right, that's it. There we go. We're gonna make
Oh, I told you, we're gonna get something out.
Yeah?
Yes, yes.
We definitely are. This is a pretty interesting looking cyst you got here, my friend.
Sorry, audience, if I get a little too excited, but I love these stuff.
She does. Here we go. So there's our cyst. Look at that beautiful cyst, Jenny.
I can see it really well on the camera too, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
You're going to
Perfect
be
angle.
amazed at how
Whoa.
good this little beautiful cyst looks.
Oh, wow.
Looks like one of those little baby onions. You know what I'm talking about?
Yes, the pearl onion.
Yeah. You want to see it, my friend?
Yes.
You might miss it.
That's what it looks like.
That's what it looks like. Let's show everybody on the camera again.
Right there. There you go. Perfect.
And I'm going to squeeze it. Can you see okay, Jenny, on the
Yes,
camera?
it's beautiful.
You can see, and if we squeeze it right
Perfect.
here, the stuff inside comes on out. So we
All
got the
right.
whole sack. I'm going to hand that back off to you.
Yes, sir.
So we got the whole thing out, my friend. So you're going to get a couple little stitches here, and you're going to be finished for today.
All right.
Feel up with the stitches and the needle driver, please.
Needle driver.
Needle driver. Ooh, I got the gold-handled ones.
Yes, sir.
Looks like I'm moving up in the world.
We do a little special today.
Meta 7 combines 7 vital nutrients that boost your metabolism. These essential nutrients boost your energy level and may even help you lose weight. The goal of Meta 7 is to help you activate your life. So if you are feeling a bit sluggish and want your energy back, try Meta 7 today.